What's up, guys? We're back working on this 12 valve. I figured I'd give you a little insight on something. So I mocked up this exhaust manifold, and we're going to show you what happens when you don't replace your stock one. So over time, these exhaust manifolds will actually go through the heat cycles of you driving your truck, normally mud trucks, whatever, and they will actually shrink. The cast iron ones on the first gen Cummins will actually shrink. They all shrink, but these ones are pretty fucking major. So what'll happen is it'll actually break off your head right here. So you're going to get your bolt. It's normally a stud, but right now for mocking up purposes for you guys, put a bolt in here. And as you can see, that's at a hell of an angle. So what's going to happen is over time, this thing's going to shrink and shrink and shrink. And eventually it's going to rip these ears off of your head. And then this whole head would be trash because you've got no way to molt up your exhaust manifold. So to save yourself time and a headache and just all kinds of problems, if you ever have to take your exhaust manifold off of your first gen 12 valve, go to the parts store. You can get one for 180 bucks, 170 something dollars, or you can go all the way up to the $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 ones, which you don't really need. They all, obviously they have more flow and they're nicer. They look cooler, but you can get a cheap one of these for 180 bucks or something. It's definitely worth the time. I definitely recommend it because if you break your head off, you would have wished you spent that $200 instead of the $1,000 or so you're going to have finding a new head, getting a new head, having a valve job done, all that. It ain't worth it. Just pay the $200, get you a new exhaust manifold. So if you happen to be rebuilding a 12 valve or 24 valve, any kind of Cummins, honestly, go ahead and shoot me a comment and I can get all your questions answered for you.